Hoopoe. The hoopoe, with its distinctive crown of feathers and enchanting song, is a bird that has fascinated people for centuries. Known for its unique appearance and remarkable behavior, the hoopoe is a bird that stands out in the diverse avian world. Hoopoes are medium-sized birds, measuring about 25 to 29 centimeters in length and weighing between 46 to 89 grams. They are easily recognizable by their striking crest, which is made up of long feathers tipped with black, that can be fanned out or retracted. Their plumage is a mix of pinkish-brown, black, and white, with bold black and white stripes on the wings and tail. They have a long, slender, and slightly curved bill, which they use to probe the ground for insects and other small invertebrates. These birds inhabit a wide range of environments, including open woodlands, savannas, grasslands, orchards, and vineyards. They are found across Europe, Asia, and Africa, with migratory populations in the northern part of their range moving to tropical regions during the winter. Hoopoes prefer habitats with plenty of open ground for foraging and trees or structures for nesting. Hoopoes are solitary and territorial birds, often seen alone or in pairs. They feed primarily on insects, such as beetles, ants, grasshoppers, and their larvae. They also consume small reptiles, amphibians, and plant matter. They forage on the ground, using their long bills to probe soil, leaf litter, and crevices in search of prey. They can also dig into the ground to extract insects and larvae. Breeding season for hoopoes occurs in spring and early summer. They nest in cavities, such as tree holes, rock crevices, or even in man-made structures like old buildings and nest boxes. The female lays 5 to 12 eggs, which she incubates for about 15 to 18 days. During this period, the male provides food for the female. After hatching, both parents feed the chicks, which fledge after about 26 to 29 days. The young remain with their parents for a few more weeks, learning to forage and becoming independent. The hoopoe's call is a distinctive oop-oop-oop sound, which gives the bird its name. This call is often heard during the breeding season when males sing to attract females and defend their territory. The hoopoe also has a range of other vocalizations used for communication between mates and family members. Culturally, the hoopoe holds a special place in various traditions and folklore. In ancient Egypt, it was considered sacred and depicted in hieroglyphics. In Persian literature, the hoopoe is revered as a wise and noble bird, often symbolizing guidance and leadership. Its striking appearance and unique behaviors have made it a subject of fascination and admiration in many cultures. The conservation status of the hoopoe is currently listed as least concern by the IUCN, with stable populations across its range. However, they face threats from habitat loss, agricultural intensification, and pesticide use, which can reduce food availability. Conservation efforts focus on preserving natural habitats, promoting sustainable agricultural practices, and providing nest boxes to support breeding populations. Ecologically, hoopoes play an important role in controlling insect populations, helping to maintain the balance of their ecosystems. Their foraging activities also contribute to soil aeration and the health of ground vegetation. In conclusion, the hoopoe is a captivating and ecologically significant bird that enriches the biodiversity of its habitats. Its distinctive appearance, unique behaviors, and cultural importance make it a valuable species for conservation and appreciation. By protecting their habitats and promoting sustainable practices, we can ensure that hoopoes continue to thrive and enchant people around the world.